How's it going, everyone? This is LightningDude42 and I'm here to do another reaction video. This one is a My Little Pony YouTube poop called To Troll a Griffon. And also, to be honest, I really don't watch MLP, the series. Yeah, I'm not really a brony, so yeah. Anyways, let's get started. 3, 2, 1, go.
Higher and higher and higher. Uh-huh.
Whoa, crap.
Uh-huh.
Oh, you don't care.
My boy, Mom's dinner.
YouTube poop.
Where smoke, lightning's back.
I'm your favorite Rainbow Dash. Lol.
Tiny Tim.
Yes.
Tiny Tim. Living in the song.
Hey.
We did order a giant trampoline.
You are sus.
What?
Hey Dash, think you got enough gas? You are so on.
Ew,
I don't think
disgusting.
so. There is no way. So make like a tree. Buzz off!
Oh, what the?
It's leave, you idiot. Make like a tree and leave.
Oh, old Biff from
So
Back to the
is
Future.
sure that Rainbow Dash is I mean? Yay! Well, I think Josh. Josh! Yes, Josh.
Oh, no.
Hey! Please excuse me.
I'm walking here.
I'm sorry.
Ah.
I was just trying to. Sorry, I'm sorry.
Why?
Shock Patrick.
This calls for extreme measures. Pinkie Pie style. Cut is my talk, cut is my talk, cut is my talk.
Surprise.
Crap.
Don't mind if I.
No.
What?
Oh, boy. There's a guy.
Hey, I'm a hawk. I'm a chicken.
Hey, Chica.
Come on, Dash. We're dashing on this Rainbow Dash. I said.
Harakiri.
You know, Gilbert,
Fatality.
what are you?
Well, that was something. So yeah, that was to Troy Griffon. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this. It was made by Hoffy 1139. So yeah, I guess I have nothing more to say. So until next time, this is LightningDude42 signing off. Bye.